So we are going to draw butterfly today. How will you start? So before I start, I will write the topic. So butterfly. You can write along with me butterfly. Okay. Once you finish this, we'll start. So there are very easy way of drawing a butterfly. As I told you in the last class, you should learn the basic shape. You should know the basic shapes, that is round, oval shape. Okay, and we are going to use the basic shapes. You also know some lines. There are some rules in the lines which you have to remember. So that is straight lines, slanting lines, and curved lines, then sleeping line, all that. Okay, wavy line, that you should remember. I hope you all know that. Okay, so once you remember, once you understand what is circle, then you will be able to draw a circle. So that is more important. Shall we start now? Okay, so first you should draw a circle. So I'll show you. So you have to draw a circle. Okay, you draw a circle, then draw oval shape. Now oval shape, you're going to start like this, and you're going to draw an oval shape here like this. Okay, oval shape. Now we are first going to draw the body of the butterfly. Once we finish off for the circle and the oval shape, we need to draw the slanting lines. Now slanting line from this way and this way. Okay, and they have to be equal. So instead of that, what we'll do, you know to draw V, no? How you draw V? So the same thing you can put it here also. 1 year, 1 year slanting lines. Okay, all right. Here again you have to draw one V here. Draw one V, letter V, you know how to draw that way. Then again here slanting lines. Slanting lines. All right. Once you finish up this, okay, once you finish up this, then you are going to draw the other part of it. So finish up this first. I'll give you 1 minute to do. Finish up this much. It's very easy. Okay, so once you finish up this, then you know how to draw B, no? Letter B. You have to use the same thing. You are going to use B letter or 3. You can write 3 here. Okay, 3. Then the same way, opposite or inversion of 3. That is ulta 3, you say, no? So the same thing. But only see that this 3 should come straight to this dot. Okay, so this is the middle point of these two. So it has to come straight to this dot. Then you can join it up like this. Alright, now it looks like a butterfly, right? Now what you do is you can draw a curve like this. Draw a curve like this. Here also you can draw a curve. I will draw a half circle here. Okay, just to look it pretty. Alright, once you finish up this, then you're going to, once you finish up this, I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. Finish up this much. All done? Okay, so first you should draw the circle, then oval shape, then V, then slanting line on the top and the bottom, then 3 you should write, then opposite of 3 this side, then the oval shape, half oval shape and half circle. That's all. Now we are going to draw the antennas. See, like this. So you see the butterfly having antennas, no? So you're going to draw an antenna. Then we shall draw a half circle this side, both the side, and a small dot over there. You can show the dot also. Then from this both edges you can draw a curve here. Then one more curve, one more curve, one more curve. So your butterfly is ready. Okay. Now you can give your own colors, or I'll give my colors. You can just see. First thing is I'm going to give one light, one dark, one light, one dark. So you can also apply like that. So I'll give this orange color here. It's up to you, children. You can take your own time to draw. Not a problem. You can take own time. So I'm just giving these colors. Alright. I'm giving orange color. Both the side. Okay. You can give any of your colors. Your favorite colors, whatever you like. You do. Can give them. Okay. So I have given orange. Then I will give blue on this, so it looks pretty. See, I told you one dark, one light, so even blue is light, but then these are the contrast color, they look beautiful. Okay, so blue looks very pretty all the time, everywhere. So, and it goes to any color. So this is a contrast color I'm giving. Contrast means one light and little brighter than that. So I've given the colors like this. You can make as pretty as you can, but see that the color shouldn't come out of this line. Okay, don't, be careful with that. So don't come out of the line, it will not look nice. So see, I finished coloring. All right, so this is done. Now here you can give whatever color you like. I mean, if you want any color, whatever your choice it is. Okay, so just do this much, do this much, and then okay, I'll give yellow here. Okay, one alternate colors, like first yellow, then leave this white color as it is, and one more yellow you can give. Okay, so give one more yellow, so leave one more space here, give yellow again. So now yellow color looks pretty, no? So then do another color, blue color you can give for this. Okay, so this look pretty. Now look at this. All right, then here you can give a brown color. I think it's a tail, so you can give brown color here. You can even give whatever color you like. Black also you can give, not a problem. Here also you can give brown color. Okay, face. So it's actually facing the front side, so I shouldn't be showing the face. All right, so now this is done. Okay, you can give the background whatever you like, give any background, but see that you show some background, put any color, I mean your own color you can show. You can draw some flowers if you want. You can draw one or two flowers also. Okay, like this you can draw one or two flowers so that it looks nice. Color it, that's all. You can give your own color for this flowers, whatever you like. Okay, so always butterflies are seen near the flowers. All right, so they like it. You can even give whatever you can give, that's all. Thank you. So I hope you like this, and I would like you to do in a very better way. Okay, keep doing this. You have a lot of time to do. Keep doing this.